Alright, you'll be looking at algebraic fraction, and it says simplify in its lowest term. Or sometimes you could say simplify as a single fraction. So I just put the R there just to say the instructions can vary. Alright, so let us get down to it. So it said 2x plus 1 divided by 3 minus x plus 5 divided by 2. Now, just as when we do normal fraction, when we're adding and subtracting, we must bring it to a common denominator. So we must find the denominator of 3 and 2. And if you don't know how to do that, let me show you a simple way. So you have 2, each time you're going up by 2, just adding. Everybody can add. And then 3 now. Voila, the first number that comes in both would be the lowest common multiple. So we choose that as 6. Now we must divide 3 into 6. How many 3's we can get out of 6? And that would be 2. So just as in the normal fraction, but the only difference is we're multiplying by the entire numerator. So it would be 2 times 2x and 2 times 2. So let's do that. 2 times 2x would give us 4x. 2 times positive 1 is give us plus 2. And then we divide 2 into 6, and that will be 3. Now, very importantly, this becomes a negative 3. So we're actually multiplying by a negative 3. So it's with the negative 3 times positive x, and that will be minus 3x. A positive times a negative is always a negative. The only time we get positive is if we're multiplying a positive times a positive or a negative times a negative. So we can simplify that and say whenever we're multiplying by the same side, its sign is always positive. So negative 3 times a positive 5 will be negative 15. Alright, we're almost finishing now, guys. Just hold on. Now we need to group the like terms. What I mean, so we need to put this and this together, and this and this. So remember, there's no equal sign, so we don't need to change the sign of this. So we just group in it. So it's minus 3x. We have a plus 2 right there, and we have a minus 15. Keep the denominator, very importantly. Alright, let us finish up now. So we have 4x minus 3x, that would give us x, and we have 2 minus 15 give us negative 13 all over 6, and that is your answer.